today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the form submission email address on your Wix website. Let's dive right in. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you're in, head over to your website editor. You can easily do this by selecting your site from the Wix dashboard. Once you're in the website editor, it's time to add a form. Look towards the top left corner of your editor screen for the plus sign button, which is your gateway to adding new elements. Click on this button and navigate through the options. You'll want to play around with the Contact and Forms section. Here you can choose a form that suits your needs. For the purpose of our demonstration, let's go ahead and use a registration form. Now that you've added your form to your website, you'll want to go back to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you're looking for the section labeled Customer and Leads. This section holds all the keys to managing the individuals who are engaging with your forms. Within Customer and Leads, you'll want to find and click on Forms and Submissions. Here, you'll see the form you've just created. It's time to make it work the way you want by clicking Edit. Once you've entered the editing space for your form, navigate over to Settings. Within the Settings menu, locate the Notifications and Automations tab. This is where you can tweak how you receive alerts from form submissions. Go ahead and click Edit. In the next section, focus on Send Email. This action determines where the submission notifications are sent. Towards the bottom of the page, you'll find a drop-down for Set Recipients. Click on that and you'll see where you can add recipients. If you click Contacts, this section will display the main email address you're currently using to receive notifications. You now have the option to keep it as is or update it with additional emails, ensuring that all relevant parties are informed when someone fills out your form. Once you've made your changes, make sure to click Add and finalize everything by selecting Apply. This ensures that your new settings are saved and your email notifications are routed correctly. And that's it. You've successfully updated the form submission email address on your Wix website. Wasn't too bad, right? If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.